We are still moving on with fractions in our topic, parts of the whole. Now, we want to learn about naming fractions. Fractions, they do have names. You can have a fraction that is called 1 over 2, or sometimes you can present it like this. 1 over 2 means half. You can have 1 over 4, which means 1 over 4, which means 1/4. It means 1/4, because the kind of shape that you have is divided into quarters. So you can have 1/4, you can have half, according to the fractions that you are given. I'm just going to mention a few. You can also have 3/4. 3/4. Alright, so this is just to mention some of the few names of fractions that we are going to be coming across in year 2. But when you're going to go to upper classes, you're going to learn lots and lots of fractions. So sometimes you might be given just a fraction for you to come out with a shape. For example, can you make a shape that will show this fraction, 1 over 2? Remember, this means the parts that are found in the picture that you are given, while this represents the number of parts that are shaded. So you can even have this kind of shape to present this fraction, 1 over 2. And you can cut it like this. How many parts do you have? 2. 2 parts. This is the 2 that we're having here. And for you to complete the fraction, that means they want you to shade one part, the on top one. Ta-da! Someone has done it right. So this means this type of shape is showing that this is 1 over 2, which means 1 out of 2 equal parts. I hope you're going to meet lots and lots of ways on how to make the fractions. Now here I have a very lovely worksheet which says there are different ways to shade 3/4. Remember about 3/4 of a shape. Which of these shape shows 3/4 of a circle? Now, it doesn't matter how it is shaded, as long as it is showing 4 equal parts according to the fraction that you are given, and as long as it is showing 3 parts shaded, that means that one is 3/4. Now let's check it out. 1, 2, 3 parts that are shaded. But all the parts, there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this shape is a 3/4 shape. The same applies here. It doesn't matter how it has been shaded. Now let's check out here. Each of these pictures shows 3/4 of a square. Again, they have shown different ways on how to work this out. Now the main challenge is here, of which I know you're going to do it. Find 6 different ways to shade in 3/4 of these squares. You can choose different ways, but remember, as long as you're having 4 equal parts in different ways and shading 3 parts to make 3/4. And I hope you're going to enjoy this worksheet. And again, this side, they want us to work on 1/4. 1/4. What does 1/4 mean? 1 out of 4 equal parts. Do we have shapes here that are showing 1 out of 4 equal parts? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 1 part shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, 1 part shaded. All these they are indicating 4 equal parts but 1 part shaded. And again, the main task is down here, whereby you're going to show different ways of shading 1 quarter. I hope you're also going to enjoy. Thank you.